Okay, to replace the rear window switch, gently pry up on the switch cover with a piece of plastic. Then we're going to remove the power cord by pushing in on the tab of the little white piece and removing it, and then remove the power cord. Then push from behind the power switch, push up while you're prying the tabs. There's 2 on each side. Once you get the last one, it should pop out. Then put in the new switch. It'll snap in place. Reattach the power cord. Insert the white piece. Then snap the switch cover back into the door. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.